At Camden County College, tutoring services are accessed through Canvas. Every course should have a tutoring services link in the left-hand navigation menu, and it can also be accessed through the account menu in the upper left-hand corner of the Canvas screen. You should never be asked for a username and password for scheduling CCC tutoring or ThinkingStorm tutoring. If a screen asking for this comes up, please clear your browser history and log back into Canvas. Canvas works best with Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, so if you're having trouble with one of those browsers, try one of the others to see if that is the problem. Mac users, Safari causes issues with Canvas in general, so we recommend downloading Chrome onto your Mac and just using that when accessing Canvas. When you click on the tutoring services link in a course or in your account menu, you'll be taken to this screen. We're going to start by clicking on the Start Now button because this is where you will schedule an appointment for either virtual or on-campus tutoring. While walk-ins are accepted for tutoring, scheduling an appointment will make sure that you know a tutor for your subject is there at the time you want to come in and will ensure that there is a spot for you. Click the Start with Camden County College Tutoring link. Click on the Book Now button. After you click Book Now, you will see the options come up where you will enter the information for your tutoring appointment. Select the location where you'd like to have tutoring, either on the Blackwood campus in the Learning Commons, on the second floor of the library, or on the Camden campus in the Student Learning Center. Next, select the category in which you want to be tutored. Then select the subject, which is the course you want to be tutored in, and then the name of the tutor. Finally, enter the date and time of your tutoring session. Then click Book. Click Confirm to confirm the appointment. You will receive an email to your CCC student email address confirming the appointment. You can see any appointments you have scheduled by clicking the See My Appointments button. From here, you can also cancel an appointment if necessary. Now let's go back to the tutoring services landing page. When it is time to check in for your in-person tutoring appointment, you can sign in at the kiosk in the tutoring center by clicking Check In Out here. You'll select your reason for your visit and your location and click Submit. You can also check in following the same steps through the Canvas app on your phone. Now we'll look at our options when we click Start Now and then Start with ThinkingStorm Tutoring. Every student currently gets 5 hours of ThinkingStorm's online tutoring per semester. Since you're limited in how much time you get each semester, we recommend using it wisely and having specific questions in mind ahead of time to go over with your tutor. The first option here is for drop-in tutoring. This is where you can receive tutoring without an appointment in the core subjects. You can see them listed here. To schedule an appointment, click on the Book Now button next to Reserve an Appointment. Then choose the first option under Select Location. This will set up a tutoring appointment with audio, chat, and screen sharing available. Then select your category. When you select your subject, you will also see how long the tutoring session will be. For almost all subjects, the session is 60 minutes long, but for some like English, you could also do a 30-minute session. Then select your tutor, or if you don't have a tutor preference, select No Preference. Then select the date and time of your tutoring appointment and click Book. You will receive an email to your CCC student email address confirming the appointment. To see or cancel your upcoming appointments, click See My Appointments. When it is time to start your online tutoring session, you will click Start Now from this screen. The Submit a Paper option is available through ThinkingStorm, but we strongly recommend that you instead set up an online or in-person tutoring session with a writing tutor to get live feedback on your paper. If you have any questions about tutoring at Camden County College, please reach out to us by emailing tutoringservices@camdencc.edu.